Hey guys, my name is William. I work for Hyundai Steel Auto Group at 3625 Kent Road. This right here is the new Hyundai Tucson 2.5 all-wheel drive preferred trim. I would like to explain the features and what benefits it would add to you as a customer.
Welcome to Hyundai Steel Auto Group, 3625 Kemp Road, Halifax. This is the Hyundai Tucson 2024 preferred trim. It has a SmartStream 2.5-liter GDI plus MPI DOHC 16-valve inline 4-cylinder engine, HTRAC all-wheel drive 8-speed automatic transmission engine idle stop and go, drive mode select, electric parking brake. Here is a quick video moving around the 2024 Hyundai Tucson is a head-turner among compact SUVs, wearing a stylish wardrobe wrapped around an upscale but practical cabin. It has a horsepower of 187 horsepower at 6,100 RPM and a torque of 187 horsepower at 6,100 RPM maximum towing capacity of 2,000 pounds. The Tucson offers one of the largest cargo capacities in the compact SUV segment. There's 38.7 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats and a vast 74.8 cubic feet with these seats folded. A manual liftgate comes standard, and a hands-free power liftgate is available. The Hyundai Tucson is a very spacious SUV. The rear seats are 41.3 inches of legroom. Front legroom 41.4 inches. The Hyundai Tucson is a very spacious SUV. The seats are adult-friendly. It comes with BlueLink connected car system. The steering comes with Bluetooth connection compatible with Android and Apple CarPlay switches. Steering also comes with lane assist and adaptive cruise with stop and go capability. 4.2-inch color multi-information display, proximity key with push-button start, forward collision avoidance assist, FCA, with pedestrian, cyclist and junction turning detection, lane following assist, LFA, lane keeping assist, LKA, menu bar can be changed to show tire pressure monitoring system, lane direction, speedometer, compass showing directions. For the ultimate in handling, performance and traction, enjoy our standard Tractum all-wheel drive system. It allows you to select the appropriate traction setting that best suits your driving conditions with 3 dedicated terrain modes. Choose from snow, mud or sand. Drive mode prioritizing fuel efficiency, this mode adjusts vehicle settings to consume the least amount of fuel. Sport mode, if you're in the mood for a spirited drive, this mode sharpens the vehicle's responses for a more engaging experience. It has a built-in navigation system, 10.25-inch touchscreen navigation system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Before, during, and after driving your Hyundai, BlueLink keeps you connected to your car. A whole suite of services has been designed to make driving safer, easier, and more fun. They are available through the BlueLink smartphone app and on your Hyundai's touchscreen display. Safety features like the forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, lane following assist, lane keeping assist can be preset with touch of a screen. The climate light door settings and air ventilation settings can be changed at the touch of the screen. The vehicle light settings and door settings can also be changed. The cluster settings can be changed to suit your mood. The available dual-zone automatic climate control system allows both driver and front passenger to select their own climate settings for optimal comfort. The rear-view camera can be engaged at the click of a button. Idle stop and go system. The ISG system is to reduce the fuel consumption by automatically shutting down the engine when the vehicle is at a standstill, i.e. red stoplight, stop sign, and traffic jam. Whether it's a solo adventure or a long weekend excursion with friends, stay comfortable during the journey with a wealth of features that include standard heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, available ventilated front seats and available heated rear seats. Feel free to reach out to me at Hyundai Steel Auto Group. My name is William. Phone number 782-882-2734. Email ID is soars@steelauto.com.